This Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer is designed for people who want fast, healthier meals without giving up valuable counter space. This compact digital air fryer proves that small appliances can still deliver serious performance. Built for efficiency, ease of use, and everyday cooking, it's an ideal choice for singles, couples, dorm residents, and anyone tired of oversized kitchen gadgets that rarely earn their space. A smart answer to everyday cooking frustrations. Traditional cooking often feels like a chore. Preheating ovens takes time. Frying uses too much oil and leaves behind greasy cleanup. Microwaves reheat but don't crisp. The Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer solves these problems by delivering oven-quality results at nearly triple the speed, using little to no oil, all in a compact, countertop-friendly design. This air fryer is built for real life. It handles quick breakfasts, easy lunches, late-night snacks, and portion-controlled dinners with consistent results and minimal effort. Performance that matches your pace. At the heart of this compact air fryer is a powerful 900-watt heating system paired with precise digital controls. The capacitive touchscreen lets you adjust temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set exact cooking times for predictable results. Food cooks evenly, crisps well, and finishes fast without constant supervision. Compared to a traditional oven, this mini air fryer can cook meals up to 3 times faster. That matters on busy weekdays or when you want something hot and fresh without waiting. Key performance highlights: adjustable temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, faster cooking than conventional ovens, even heat circulation for consistent crisping, digital timer for precise control, healthier cooking without sacrificing taste. One of the biggest advantages of the Chefman mini air fryer is how effortlessly it supports healthier cooking. By using rapid hot air instead of oil, it reduces unnecessary fats while still delivering crispy exteriors and tender interiors. French fries come out golden. Chicken stays juicy. Frozen foods turn crunchy instead of soggy. Whether you're watching calories or simply cutting back on oil, this compact air fryer makes better eating easier. Health benefits at a glance. Little to no oil required. Lower fat meals without dry texture. Ideal for portion control. Supports everyday healthy habits. Space-saving design that actually makes sense. Mini air fryers promise compact size, but still crowd the counter. The Chefman 2-quart air fryer takes a different approach. Its narrow profile and square basket design maximize internal capacity while keeping the external footprint minimal. This smart design lets it fit comfortably in small kitchens, apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, or offices. When not in use, it stores easily in cabinets without rearranging your entire kitchen. Why the design works: square basket maximizes usable space. Narrow build minimizes countertop clutter. Lightweight and easy to move or store. Ideal for kitchens with limited space. Shake reminder for better results every time. One standout feature is the built-in shake reminder. Halfway through cooking, the air fryer emits an audible alert reminding you to shake the basket. This simple addition makes a noticeable difference in food quality. Even browning matters, especially for fries, nuggets, vegetables, and frozen snacks. The shake reminder ensures crisp, evenly cooked results without guesswork. Perfectly sized for 1 to 2 people. With a 2-quart capacity, this mini air fryer is built for realistic portions. It's perfect for solo meals or cooking for 2 without overproduction or wasted food. Instead of heating a full oven for a small serving, this air fryer delivers fast results with less energy use. It's an excellent fit for singles and couples, college students, and dorm rooms, small families preparing sides, meal prep with portion control in mind. Simple cleanup that saves time. Cleanup is often where convenience appliances fail. Not here. The Chefman air fryer features a nonstick basket and rack that are both dishwasher-safe. Food residue wipes away easily, and there's no greasy mess to scrub. That means less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meal. Cleanup benefits: nonstick interior for easy release, dishwasher-safe basket and rack, no oil splatter or residue buildup, fast cleanup after every use, built-in safety you can trust. Safety isn't an afterthought. This mini air fryer includes automatic shutoff technology that turns the unit off when cooking is complete or when the basket is removed. That added layer of protection offers peace of mind, especially in busy households. It's also CTL approved and designed with long-term durability in mind, backed by a 1-year assurance from Chefman. Everyday cooking made practical. This isn't a novelty appliance you use twice and forget. The Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer earns its spot by handling everyday foods with ease. You can use it for crispy fries and wedges, chicken wings and tenders, vegetables and roasted sides, frozen snacks and quick meals, reheating leftovers with real texture. It's dependable, predictable, and easy enough to use daily. Why the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer is worth it. This air fryer strikes a rare balance between performance, size, and simplicity. It doesn't overpromise or complicate things. Instead, it focuses on fast, healthy, space-efficient cooking that fits modern lifestyles. Key benefits summary: fast cooking with digital precision, healthier meals using minimal oil, compact design that saves space, shake reminder for consistent crisping, easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts, trusted safety features, and durability. Final verdict: if you want a compact digital air fryer that cooks quickly, cleans easily, and fits almost anywhere, the Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer is a smart investment. It's especially well suited for smaller households and anyone who values efficiency over excess. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.